So I came down this the other day, well, a couple weeks ago, before my lift. It was a little sketchy.
I'm just eyeing that right side.
It is very narrow up top with loose rocks on the right side. Not that I tried to go down that side.
Happening, isn't it? That's right.
I hope I get to go haunted after.
We'll see, buddy.
Why don't you guys get to go?
Hard.
Oh yeah, I heard it.
Put this on.
Yeah. All right. Hang on, guys.
My articulation's going up.
Yeah.
Did hit.
He's fine.
Get out! How to get out?
Hit, not hard.
Can you get out?
He's doing the thing stops.
Man, thing's all-wheel drive just grabs more and more. It's pretty neat.